Command prompt in administrator mode doesn't see map drives. I am not sure, but when I start my command prompt in administrator mode, I can't switch to a map drive. I can do so if I am not in administrator mode. Am I missing something simple?
When you start a command prompt as administrator, it's running in a different user context than when you don't. Since mapped drives are user-centric, that admin user context will not have the same drives, and you'll have to map them for that user context once the command window is open as administrator, e.g. by running netuse ////. An example. Also, you can enable the Enabling KID Connections flag in the registry to cause the session token to be shared. To work around this problem, configure the Enabling KID Connections registry value. This value enables Windows Vista and Windows 7 to share network connections between the filtered access token and the full administrator access token for a member of the administrators group. To do this, set the hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/ current version /policies /system /enabling KID connections word flag to 1, and then reboot your machine. For more info on that from Microsoft, see, some programs cannot access network locations when UAC is enabled.
This makes me think about an old Windows Vista reported issue. Can you try? Open regedit. Go to hklm/software/Microsoft/Windows/ current version /policies /system. Create a Word value named Enabling KID Connections and set it to 1. Reboot the computer. Test again.
One other workaround that took me ages to find is to run netuse from a scheduled task as the NT-authority /system account. Apparently drives mapped under this account show up for all users and all elevation levels. I've tested this and it works even on NFS shares, which can be a bit finicky. Just create a scheduled task set to run at system startup and specify the following command. It might possibly work to run it just once with /persistent column yes, but I haven't tried that. Granted, just map it again works too, but that drive still won't be visible to scheduled tasks running in different contexts. The downside is that all real users see it too, so not so good for multi-user setups.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.